Nakuru has been ranked the 4th growing town in the whole world. This is the reason as to why there is a dire need to construct more roads as well as maintaining or else recarpeting the already existing ones. Curbing the congestion is the main purpose of expanding roads in Kenya. Also, preparing Nakuru to handle the Kenyan general fast-growing population might be another reason for this. Youth as well have been given an opportunity to have something to do and earn a living.
Mimi ni foreman ya culverts. Tunajenga barabara kutoka Odinga Road inaanza free area mpaka roundabout Shabab. Alafu tunajenga General Kariba Road, tunashikanisha na West Road, and then tunaenda tunachukua Government Road. Yeah, inaingia town.
Among the roads that have been targeted by the Kura project are Kariba Road stretching from Afra Stadium to the Arawis filling station, the Oginga Odinga Road running from Arawis filling station to Hotel Waterback, among others.
My name is Mr. Lee, and the company is CRPC, now it's construction. This project belongs to Kura project around tonight.
Drivers and vehicle owners are expected to drive comfortably after these bypasses are done. It's always a character of humankind to criticize the vices and always forget to applaud the virtues. But honestly, the Ministry of Roads and Construction deserves a thumbs up. For UTV, my name is John Minor.